Some more alox 58mm companions. There's a interesting green Philippe something or other. Oh, how come I can't get to focus? Black Atlas. A couple of silver ones. Gold one. There's a Pratt & Whitney in blue, and then there's one blue with some kind of a crest or a lion shield crest or something. Here's a stainless steel, and it's engraved United States Steel. There's alox logo, Litton logo, Fine Tool logo, another Lockheed logo, Continental Electronics, Hamilton Standard, their fan company. There's a red one with Hanover House. There's another Litton. There's a plain red. There's a Star Cosa. Northrop. There's a black Nokia. There's a National Airmotive logo and SAR. These are 74mm. That's a cigar punch tool. There's a black Alcon full executive model. There's a blue Alcon. I think it's a Prince model. No, it's an Ambassador. Most of these other ones are Prince. Microtel, Microtel, Appleton. Appleton, I think, is an Escort model. Thiessen, that's a Prince. These are alox 84mm secretary models with advertising. Can 4. This is a special one. It's actually an alox version. And some plain ones. These two here are watch knives, 84mm with a special watch opening tool, Longinus and Pressamax. These two are Wenger Patriots. One of them has Alberta Power. This is a Wenger alox money clip, Stroutman. They're a little bit smaller, 65mm, I think. Yeah. And here's an unusual one. It's a Pocket Pal with double serrated blades. The little blade is serrated, and the main blade is serrated. Very unusual. Seen several of them. That's Markle and Sons, Markey and Sons.